Welcome everyone, cut these paper strips. Now we are going to make a ring. So fold it, make 6 such rings and we are going to paste all of them one after another. We are making bunny here, so paste its ears and look, your dancing bunnies are ready. Cut 2 yellow circles and draw dots on it. We are going to fold it and make semicircles. We are going to make ladybug here, so cut 2 black circles and paste all of them like we are doing here. Paste its eyes and its legs. We are going to make a ring also, so roll another piece of paper, paste it and look, it is ready. Draw a teddy bear and cut it using scissors. Also cut these mini holes. After that, cut a circle on white craft paper and put it through the hole. Paste it using double-sided tape and look, your teddy bear is moving. Now we are going to do this from all the parts and look, your moving teddy bear is ready. In this video, we are going to make this flying bat. So fold a black craft paper, make 3 folds and then we are going to fold it again from its sides. Do this from other side as well. Now flip it and again fold it from its bottom side. After this, flip it again and fold it like we are doing here. We are going to make small pleats for the wings. Give it shape like we are doing here and it's done. Let's make this clay porcupine. For that, pick some foxtail grass and then make the body of the porcupine. Paste its googly eyes. Now dab all the grasses on it like this and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.